pinakita niya by being true to his moral compass without compromising truth, justice, and the human way. What the fuck? I'm tearing up.
Ow! Stop it!
Superman 2025. Here's some thoughts. First, I liked it. It is my favorite Superman movie of all time, I'm guessing. I guess. It feels weird to say that kasi pinanood namin 1978 version, 2006 version, 2025 Superman. It's the greatest depiction of Superman na lumabas ever, I think. He expressed everything. Yung kinagat nga ako eh.
Lucy.
Si Lucy kinagat ako eh. Ayun. Tapos gusto ko siyang panoorin ulit as soon as possible. Gusto ko siyang panoorin ulit. Totoo lang. Yung mga kasama ko, they all liked it. Then, okay. Okay, Lucy. Okay. Teka lang, gumagawa pa ako ng Superman review ko eh. Huli ka sa camera, kinakagat mo ko. Huli ka. Yung mukha mo, huli. Yung mukha mo. Para kasi crypto sa kulit. Back on topic. Gusto ko siyang panoorin ulit kasi ang dami kong gustong i-solidify sa utak ko. Simula pa lang umiiyak na ako. as cheesy as it sounds. Narinig ko pa lang yung score. Naramdaman ko na ulit yung hope na nararamdaman ko tuwing nagbabasa ako ng Superman comic book or pag nagko-consume ako ng Superman animation media na hindi ko maramdaman in other Superman films. I don't know. Nobody got Superman as well as James Gunn, I think. Na-extract niya yung essence nun coming from iba't ibang source material from the comics.
I think that Superman is somebody who we wish existed so that the world didn't suck so bad.
Usually sa Superman comics and Superman cartoons, it's already established na pag sinabi mong si Superman, he's the big blue boy scout. Ganun lagi yung description sa kanya ng mga colleagues niya. Dito sa James Gunn universe, wala pa yun. Lahat ng threat galing din sa tao. Pag nilagay mo siya on paper, parang paano mo nasasabing interesting na topic to? Si Superman, parang Diyos, tapos sasabihin mo sa akin na kalaban niya tao lang. Parang andali, di ba, ng solusyon. Pero it gets more complicated than that kasi hindi mo naman nilalabanan si Superman sa invulnerability niya. Nilalabanan mo siya sa mga bagay na hindi niya kayang kontrolin. Yung atake na yun ni James Gunn dun sa movie, yun yung sobrang nagustuhan ko. Kasi ganun siya nilalabanan ng mga kalaban niya sa comic books. Yung mortal threat kasi kay Superman, hindi siya ganun ka-exciting. Kasi hindi siya kayang patayin basta-basta. Unless, yun nga, inintroduce mo si Doomsday, inintroduce mo yung Kryptonite, hindi mo i-challenge yung mortality niya. Kasi hindi mo siya kayang labanan dun eh. I-challenge mo yung mga factors na nagsusurround sa kanya na gusto niyang i-maintain, gusto niyang alagaan, gusto niyang mahalin. Dun mo siya aatakihin. Yung emotions ni Superman, yung inatake dito sa film na to. ano yung limit ng morality niya. Diba? Kaya gusto ko siyang panoorin ulit. Pinakita niya by being true to his moral compass without compromising his belief of truth, justice, and the human way.
I would question myself in the same situation and consider the consequences.
People were going to die!
What the fuck? I'm tearing up. Anyway, ayan. I just love the attack. I just love how they wrote this, and I want to see it again soon. Yes.
Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.